Tired of web development projects turning into a digital disaster zone? Today, we're going to explore how to combine the power of Adobe Dreamweaver with the collaborative magic of Google Drive. First, you'll need to install the Google Drive for Desktop application on your computer. This creates a synced folder that mirrors your Google Drive in the cloud. Just download the application from Google Drive and follow the on-screen prompts to set it up, ensuring it's properly linked to your Google account. Next, inside your Google Drive folder on your computer, create a dedicated folder for your Dreamweaver project. This will be the central hub for all your web development files. Now open Adobe Dreamweaver and create a new site, pointing the local site folder to the project folder you just created within Google Drive. This tells Dreamweaver exactly where to store and access your project files. As you work on your project in Dreamweaver, Google Drive automatically syncs your changes to the cloud. This means your team always has access to the latest version to ensure everyone works on the most up-to-date files. Enable file versioning in your Google Drive settings. This allows you to easily revert to previous versions if needed to share your project with collaborators. Simply share the project folder within Google Drive, granting them editing or viewing permissions. Remember to communicate clearly with your team about who is working on what to avoid conflicts. And there you have it. By integrating Dreamweaver with Google Drive, you can streamline your web development workflow, enhance team collaboration, and keep your projects organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on boosting your productivity.